Hello and welcome back to S11. In this video I will show you how to install WhatsApp on Samsung Galaxy Tab S11. Let's begin! First, you want to simply navigate into your Play Store. If you want to learn how you can download the WhatsApp without using the Play Store, you can always watch my tutorial on our channel on how to do it. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we simply enter search bar and search for WhatsApp. Now you probably want to be really careful, because usually in the sponsors tab you will see not WhatsApp but something else. So you want to make sure to go into the WhatsApp Messenger, make sure it's the exact same icon, but in case this video will be like 5 years old or something and the icon will change, make sure that it's coming from the WhatsApp LLC developer, because everything else is just a scam or something that wants to imitate the WhatsApp. Now we can simply go and install it. And finally we can now open, log in and just continue using WhatsApp. We can freely text our friends, family, everyone else. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.